Family-owned operation. In its third generation, we grow grapes throughout the state of California in 3 geographical areas. Our slopes out here are not very conducive to allowing the water to drip off the hose. In the past, we had mitigated that in deploying straight tubing and then having to come and spend the labor to punch in woodpecker emitters, which then required us to also send a second crew in and deploy spaghetti tubing early in its planting stages. As we all know, California and the rest of the U.S. has a big shortage of labor. Netafim went to work with us to create this hybrid product, which allowed us the best of all worlds. And the best of all worlds, the hybrid allows for a uniform pattern, which allows us to wet the whole berm that we're trying to farm. And that's where most of our nutrients are, in that berm that we have purposely placed those pre-development. So the wetting of the whole berm with the hybrid, as unique as the inline, has allowed us to yet drip where the inline emitter had its fault. It's kind of a dual purpose that we've accomplished here in the form of labor reduction for installation and the utilization of how we've transitioned into where we want the water for the roots to better look for that moisture, as opposed to an onion factor right underneath the woodpecker. The hybrid has saved us 3 passes of labor out here. It's the difference between 5 to 7 person job as opposed to a 50-person job. And that's the biggest benefit for us, is having the ability to still do the job with a lesser amount of bodies out here. Having had the ability to see Uniram hybrid start from its original state to having created this and seeing it being deployed out to the public now has been very rewarding. As we move along and we start using more and more of this product, I think the innovative side of us will come out and be able to share that with Netafim to continue that partnership and to better this product.